My name is Seshu. I'm part of DVCOM support and training team. And today I'm going to give you a brief overview about Yealink A10 all-in-one collaboration bar. A10 is an Android-based collaboration bar. Especially it's designed for small and focused rooms. It's a 4K camera. The field of view is 120 degrees. And by default it comes with a privacy shutter. When meeting starts, automatically the shutter gets open. When meeting ends, automatically the shutter gets closed. It has inbuilt speaker and microphone. And it does auto framing and speaker tracking. That's all about A10. If you have any queries or if you want to see a demo, please send us an email support@atavoice.com. Thank you.